Hello, it is 11:27 p.m. on January 24th, and I am sitting in the city of Portland, Oregon, USA. The Stormtroopers are gassing people and killing people in the USA. And I'm at the point where I'm scared to walk out of the front door of my apartment. So I tell you this. If you do not live in the USA and do not have to set foot in the USA, please do not enter into U.S. waters, U.S. airspace, or anywhere in the United States of America. Just don't come here, because your lives will be under threat. The ICE Stormtroopers are just as likely to kill you before even getting ID from you as to ask you for your ID. They are worse than loose cannons. They're mad dogs with guns. My apologies to those who have lost family recently due to the ICE Stormtroopers. I wish I could have stood between them and the troopers. There's no way I could have. If you can, please pray for America. Pray for all the innocents being killed. We are in the middle of our crystal knock, and I know it. Thank you for watching this. Sending all of you love. Bye now.